Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our state-of-the-art production facility in Leopoldshöhe, Germany. Today we will discuss the SBD-60 select-line sawing, boring and doweling machine. The machine is designed for processing workpieces from 86 millimeters in width up to 610 millimeters in width, and workpiece lengths from 220 millimeters up to 1.5 meters. The machine is customizable in the select line range to the customer's requirements. All our machines use Koch control systems. This particular machine is designed with a customized in-feed to meet the customer's requirements, with a collapsible in-feed for wide panels, as well as a hopper feed system for narrow parts. The fixed side of the machine is on the left-hand side, and the right-hand side is movable via motor in order to set the correct width for the customer's workpieces. In our automated through-feed machines, the workpieces are stopped at each station, sawing, drilling and doweling. The parts are moved into the machine by means of spring-loaded dogs that ensure that the parts tolerances are taken up. With the hopper feed and saw stations engaged, the parts move into the saw station and are clamped. Then the saw moves down through the workpiece using a brass chip breaker to protect the finish on the underside of the workpiece. We will now move to the drilling station. The drilling station is customizable depending on the customer's requirements. In this case, we have a 19 spindle drilling head on the left and a 19 spindle drilling head on the right. The part is moved into the drilling station and zeroed just prior to being clamped. The dogs then reverse slightly to reduce the wear on the transport system. The drilling cycle then will commence. Once the drilling cycle is complete, the parts will then move on to the next station. In this particular machine, we have a manual setup using a readout to set up the position of both the drilling as well as the doweling station. As an option, but not shown on this machine, an overhead beam is possible to do some vertical drilling of the workpieces. We will now move on to the dowel driving station. In the dowel driving station, each tool is set up with ELC or electronic lime control, which is a Koch patented system to ensure that there is glue in every hole. The dowel diameter in this particular case is 8 millimeters, but is once again customizable depending on the customer's requirements. The part is then moved outside of the machine by means of the outfeed device. This device can be customized depending on the customer's requirements, if the machine is an island operation or if it is feeding onto a production line. We will now demonstrate the machine in operation. Thank you for your time. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please follow us on LinkedIn and YouTube and contact us on the details displayed below. Thank you.